to Digistore's Club 24. I'm your host, Melissa Nunez, and we're in the beautiful Los Cabos, Mexico, where we're celebrating all of our vendors and top affiliates. So let's get this party started. Club24 Los Cabos Day 2 is coming to an end. We've had a fun-filled day full of activities and workshops for everyone. So now we're here at the Flora Farms where we're gonna have a very special dinner. Come join us.
El dinero no se acaba, el dinero no se acaba, el dinero no se acaba. Andamos con la prenda y las mujeres se lo ganan. Muévelo, 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 muévelo. Muévelo, 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 muévelo. En la calle somos jefes. Money, 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 money. Somos los dueños de la banca. Money, 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 money. Anda soltando la chamba. Bebé, que lo que.
Buenas noches, Club 24. We've had so much fun with all of you here in Los Cabos, Mexico. And now we're gonna wrap up the event and dine and party in style. So join us on the dance floor, and if you didn't get to make it to this event, we'll see you at the next one. Ciao.